I want to take a real quick moment and talk directly to you, the viewers, my homies. Well, you're only a true homie if you're a subscriber, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. What are you doing, player? Alright, so I'm trying to get some feedback, bro, and I want y'all to keep it a buck with me. Keep it 100. You won't hurt my feelings. I'm a grown-ass man. Nah, I ain't finna lie. I've read some negative comments before, and I do be feeling something inside my chest. It's either that or some heartburn. But yeah, it's hella important for me to keep improving my videos, and I want them to be enjoyable and fun to watch. I want y'all to get excited with XJ Jesse drops a video. I want y'all to be looking forward to my videos. So I need you guys' help, because I must be doing something wrong. I've been doing this for a while, and I'm not where I wanted to be. So I'd like you guys' opinion, thoughts, ideas, or any suggestions that you would like on my videos. Just let me know in the comment section. Right now I just want to talk about some things that I would like to add or remove on my videos. So I'd like to hear you guys out. Starting with the background music. Do you guys enjoy the background music? Does it add to the experience? Or would you rather have no music at all and just have the natural background sounds and my beautiful voiceover? Or neither, and you guys just want to listen to my beautiful voice? Let me know. Next would be subtitles. Would subtitles help you guys understand me clearly? I understand that I stutter, I say things differently, and I have an accent. I have read some comments before where people are not sure if I'm saying 15 or 50. So if subtitles will help you, let me know so we could throw in some subtitles on the videos. And finally, what kind of car content do you guys want to see? Do you guys want strictly mainly how-to videos, just straight to the point, repair the vehicle, call it a day? Or will you enjoy a mixture of vlogs, car comedy content, and other topics, and maybe videos where I sit down and chop it up with you guys like this? Let me know in the comments section, you guys. And like I mentioned, if you guys have any suggestions, any other ideas, let me know in the comments section. I want to keep making videos, but I want them to be dope videos. I want them to be cool. Well, thank you guys for joining me on my YouTube journey, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Like.